Hello, Savvy Bookkeepers. Today, we're going to bring you a mindset and momentum shift all in one. Volunteering is the visibility hack no one talks about. So let's talk about how your passion and your purpose can create an unstoppable platform to showcase your expertise and expand your network. Volunteering isn't just charity, it's strategy. When you raise your hand to help, you don't just give back, you get noticed. You build trust, show consistency, and demonstrate real-world skills without ever having to pitch yourself. In a networking chapter, industry association, or even a nonprofit you love, visibility flows to the reliable. And guess what? Those who volunteer are often first in line for opportunities, referrals, and collaborations. When you combine something you care about with the skills you excel in, you become magnetic. Let's say you're passionate about financial literacy. Volunteer to lead workshops. Love operations? Offer to streamline a local organization's back-end systems. You're not just helping, you're demonstrating your genius. That alignment between passion and purpose doesn't just feel good, it makes you memorable. People see your integrity, your consistency, your value, and they start associating your name with leadership and results. One of the fastest ways to grow your network, work alongside people. When you volunteer, you're not just handing out business cards, you're building relationships through action. It's low pressure, it's authentic, and it creates a space where people experience your work ethic, attitude, and skills in real time. You don't have to chase the spotlight. You create your own stage, and the right people will very definitely start to notice, especially in small business communities and local chapters. This kind of involvement often leads to referrals without the awkward ask. Not sure where to plug in? Start with what aligns with you and your brand, your values, your zone of genius, and your ideal audience. If you want to serve business owners, volunteer in a chamber, a BNI, or an industry event committee. If you want to work with creatives, plug into nonprofit art organizations or incubators. The key is to be intentional. You're not doing random good work. You're doing aligned good work that showcases who you are and what you bring to the table. So remember, your visibility grows when your value is in motion. Want more strategic mindset shifts like this? Drop a light bulb if this sparked something, and please like and subscribe. You're not just a bookkeeper, you're a business leader. Let's make sure the whole world sees it. As always, if you've got another 4 minutes, we've got another episode. Up next, when things get difficult, come back to center.